Let me show you my latest app I built in Remy called Mies. This app helps you do weekly meal planning for yourself and your family in a beautifully designed user experience. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to create an account using my email address, verify my email, and now I'm going to be walked through a quick wizard. I'm just planning for myself. I am a vegan. I avoid alcohol. How much time do I have to do meal prep? Let's just say 1.5 hours. And I like to keep it simple. And now you set what budget that you want. And what equipment do I have accessible in my kitchen? Now you get to tell the app what types of food do you like eating, as well as your favorite cuisine. So I'll say salad, smoothies, wraps, pasta, sandwiches, breakfast for dinner, Mediterranean, Mexican, American comfort, Italian are my favorite cuisines. My first week. Now the app is beginning to plan based on my preferences. Notice here that I can install this app to be on my phone. And the reason why this is very helpful is when I go shopping where I may or may not have internet access, I can use the app to check off my grocery list. Now we have my weekly meal plan for this week. There will be 4 bases, like 4 primary foods, and then be ready with 5 dinners. Here it's showing me the schedule of when I would be eating each. Saturday is like an open night where I eat leftovers or go to do takeout. And Sunday is the next week's meal prep. Then it's proposing 3 different snacks. So once I review this and think that's great, I have the option to regenerate it, but I'm going to go with this. Now, when I get ready to go shopping, now I come to the shopping list. This is where I would be in the grocery store to pick up the groceries on Saturday or Sunday, to cook on Sunday for meal planning. And this grocery list is organized in roughly how grocery stores are organized, meaning the produce is all in one location, the bulk ingredients are then refrigerated section, pantry, and so on. As I go through the store to get my ingredients, I select each one of these items, and notice here how they each get crossed off the list as I get them. Having this app on my phone, even being able to use this checklist offline, is a really powerful way of using this tool. So now the shopping is done. Now we come to Sunday and we get ready to cook. So this is giving us the schedule of how we will be preparing our meal on Sunday. And then there will be a timer that we'll see when we start ready to cook. You'll see here now the timer is going down from the schedule that was set for us. And just for sake of time in this demo, I'm just going to walk my way through this schedule. You can see that each step is very detailed. And it's all beautifully laid out. So now we see this is all of our meals all ready to go. And now we close the kitchen. So this is the end of preparing for 1 week. And we continue using this every week, where we can plan for the next week and so on. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative and gives you ideas on what else you can build using Remy. Keep watching for other videos by the MindStudio team on how we use Remy.